It fits quite well. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Frugal Watch Box channel. Today, we're unboxing a new Casio digital watch, the W-201-1B. Hopefully, this unboxing will go smoothly with well-protected packaging. The package looks intact and well-wrapped. The watch box is safely surrounded by sturdy bubble wrap. Let's remove the watch box from the bubble wrap. The watch box is additionally protected by hard cardboard. The plastic box is also securely wrapped and undamaged. Here's the watch box with the watch safely inside. Let's take the watch out of the box. The watch is further protected by plastic wrapping. This time, the watch seems to be exceptionally well protected. Kudos to the seller. Let's first take a look at the documentation. We have the warranty certificate and the user's guide booklet. Next, let's proceed to remove the watch. Here it is, the Casio digital watch. Let's remove the watch tag. The full model number for this watch is W-201-1BVDF. Two main features of this watch include a 10-year battery life on CR 2016 and 50-meter water resistance. Let's remove the plastic protective sticker from the watch's crystal. There it is, the Casio W-201-1B. The price for this timepiece is $15 or MYR 72. Before we review it, let's take a closer look at the watch. There seems to be some dust on the watch. Let me clean it with a cloth. There, it's clean now. Let's move on to the watch dimensions. The case size is 36 mm. The lug-to-lug size is approximately 40.4 mm. It has a thickness of 10 mm. The lug size is about 18 mm. And it weighs about 25 grams. The word illuminator is on the top of the watch. At the bottom are the words 50M resist. On the right side of the resin case, there are two buttons for light and 12/24 hours. On the left are another two black buttons for adjust and mode. The buttons are small and slippery. Below that illuminator imprint are the Casio logo and 10-year battery imprints. Below that are the model number and alarm chronograph imprints. The dial is black with white digits, a sort of negative display. At the top of the dial, you'll find the day, month, and date display. At the bottom are the hour, minutes, and seconds in large digits. On top of the seconds digits is a signal-like symbol that changes based on 60-second intervals. Setting the mode is a bit tricky due to the small, slippery buttons. Pressing the button can be a challenge. The most comfortable position for adjusting is to turn the watch with the buttons facing you. Among the features of this watch are dual time, stopwatch, daily alarm, hourly time signal, amber LED backlight, full auto calendar up to the year 2099, and a choice of 12/24-hour format. The watch construction is resin. The case and strap seem to be made of good quality resin, sturdy but somewhat plastic-like. The Casio logo is on the resin retainer and the shiny black buckle. The case back is stainless steel with imprints of the Casio logo, module number, model number, and water-resistant 5-bar. Next, let's try this watch on my rather small 6.5-inch wrist. It fits quite well. And finally, the backlight. It's very bright, even though locating and pressing the light button can be a challenge. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope my review helps you decide whether to buy this watch. See you again in the next video.